Hi, my name is Mary and I'm a research assistant here at the Temple Ambler Field Station. Did you know that only 3% of the world's water is freshwater? Freshwater can be found in a lot of forms. It can be in lakes, in streams, in rivers, but it can also be in a thing called a vernal pool. What is a vernal pool? A vernal pool is a seasonal body of water, kind of like a small pond, that fills with rain every season. So in the late fall and summer, they'll be dry, and then in the spring, they'll fill with rainwater and snow melt, and they'll be full again. These vernal pools are really cool because they are seasonal. And we didn't have very many of those here at the Temple Ambler Field Station until 2020 when we were hit by a tornado. The tornado came through and created the perfect space for vernal pools to form by knocking over a bunch of our old growth trees. When the trees were uprooted, they created these pits, just like the one I'm standing in right now. The pits fill with water when it rains, and they will create the perfect ecosystem for mammals to drink out of, like deer or raccoons or coyotes. They'll also be the perfect breeding ground for amphibians like salamanders and frogs. Each pool can be different depending on the soil that surrounds it, the nutrients that get into it, the depth, and even how much sunlight it gets. I've been spending the last year working at the field station taking samples of these pools, just like this one. From these samples, we can figure out what kind of microorganisms have been living on them and then how those biological communities have been changing throughout time. These pools might seem small, but they play a really cool role in our ecosystem. Happy World Water Day!